Alright everyone, this is a quick review of the Custom Dynamics LED rear turn signal and light bar. These are on a 2013 Softail Slim. So as you see, the Custom Dynamics makes an insert for the existing bullet lights, and I've added a Custom Dynamics light bar. I believe it's the 12 LED model, and I've used the reflector mount that was there before. I've removed it, installed the light bar on that mount, and then reinstalled it deeper inside the fender to give it a more streamlined look. Custom Dynamics makes an excellent LED set. LEDs are very bright. That's the run light scenario there. And there's a trick to wiring these. Your harnesses for the tail lights are here underneath the seat. The center one's for your license plate. You won't need that. But if you look on the wire harnesses, there's a blanked out, you can see it there, there's a blanked out pole. There's 3 wires coming out of the harness there. It's got the red plug in it, but inside of your bike harness is actually 4 wires. So that 4th wire is your brake light. These harnesses are generic to all Softail models. So what I've done is I've taken that 4th wire and plugged my brake light wire into it, which gives it the brake light functionality. So all 3 lights work as run, and then obviously your blinkers will work like normal. Now, I did not use any type of load equalizer. It seems that the new bikes handle the LED lights a lot better than previously. Here's brake light function. Not focusing very good. So you can see they're extremely bright. So there they are. Again, this standard wire harness, since it's just a 2 bullet light functionality, it gives you the run, brake, and signal on those 2 lights. So in order to get the brake light to work, you've got to tap into that 4th unused pole of your wire harness. So that's it. I hope that helps. It's a 2013 Softail Slim and running the Custom Dynamics LED light kit and light bar.